Alright, so now that we've drawn block 2, getting started on block 3, let's just grab this guy and we can minimize that when you hide your controls. Let's grab that and we'll go minus the 800. So it's now all the way out of the way and we can get started. We go to create a new component and we're going to call our new component, surprisingly, block 3. We're going to create a sketch. Now if we look at our drawings on block 3, again, my suggestion, we always draw it top view down and then we look at modifying from there. So our drawing, surprisingly, again, is 180 by 42. So we've drawn our right view, not where I want to be. So let's finish that sketch. Let's sketch again and we're on the top view. Thank you. Grab our rectangle tool, start in the middle, letter D, dimension, we'll call that 180. Letter D, that edge, and we want that to be, no, there we are, 42. Finish sketch, extrude, 42, and there we are. So we now go, we can click on fit, shows us all of them. So let's just come down to here, and at our top view, we want to, actually now we've done top view, we're looking at our front view. So we'll draw this 21 by 21 square, and it's 48 millimeters across. So get our sketch tool, look at our front view, grab ourselves the rectangle tool, but we'll draw a square, and we'll dimension that to be 21 by 21. And again, the reason why I said 48 is because the edge of that lines up and it's letting us know that is 48 millimeters across. There is something there to look at, which is the edge of that corner. So we're here, clicking on that, moving it up, calling that 48. We're then going to finish that sketch, get the extrude tool, and we're going to minus that 42. Alright, so here we are drawing block 3. We've just drawn that 21 by 21 square. We now draw that on the right hand side. So we are going to grab this, we'll make it full screen, and we're going to sketch on that front view. We're going to click on the rectangle tool, drop this rectangle or the square, and we're going to say 21 by 21. And if we look at our drawing, we are the same. I didn't obviously there, but we're 48 and 48 either side. So we're going to click on the edge, click on there, drag that up, and call that 48. We then finish this sketch, grab the extrude, click on that little square, minus 42, and now we have drawn that front view of what we want to see, and our next place to do is top view. And this top view is now a 21 by 42 wide rectangle. So go back to Fusion, and we're going to sketch on the top. There we are. We're going to grab our rectangle tool, and because we already know 48 and 21, and 48 and 21 subtracted from that 180 leaves us with that 42. So make sure when you're selecting this, I'm just going to re-select that face again, get our rectangle going across. There we go. And now our dimension tool, it looks like it went pretty close to the center. It has, it's already 21. So we can now finish sketch, get that orthographic projection going. We'll zoom down to that, and we're going to extrude that minus 42. And there we go. Now I don't think you need to see me chamfer the edges for the rest of these, but that's that step done. You can then go continue, hold down shift, go across to modify, and then chamfer those 8 edges.